Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2023 Question 8. This question involves a right-angled triangle, angle calculation, trigonometric ratios, and area. We are given a diagram involving points S, T, U, and V. The large triangle is SDV, and it is a right-angled triangle. We are told that length of ST equals 15 m, length of SV equals 10, the square root of 3 m, and angle SUT equals 72 degrees. We are asked to calculate three things: the value of the angle marked, x, the length of UT, and the area of SUV. All answers should be given correct to the nearest whole number. Next, draw the vertical pole from the foot on the ground. The pole is perpendicular to the ground. Join the observer to the top of the pole and mark the given angle of elevation and distance. Now place the other point on the pole and draw the second line of sight with its given distance. Finally, label all the points clearly so the finished diagram matches the question. This is the diagram we will use. Notice that the right angle is at T, so SDV is a right-angled triangle. The first important observation is that SDV is right-angled at T. The side, length of SV, is opposite the right angle, so length of SV is the hypotenuse. The side, length of ST, is one of the shorter sides of the right triangle. To find the angle marked, x, we first need the whole angle at S in a large triangle. Let angle VSD equals theta. In triangle SDV, with respect to angle theta, length of ST is adjacent and length of SV is the hypotenuse. So we use cosine because cosine connects adjacent and hypotenuse. Now substitute the known lengths. So angle VSD equals 30 degrees. Cos of theta equals length of ST over length of SV. Cos of theta equals 15 over 10, the square root of 3. Cos of theta equals 15 over 17.3205. Cos of theta equals 0.8660. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Now substitute the known lengths. So, angle VSD equals 30 degrees. Now focus on the smaller triangle, SDU. We are given angle SUT equals 72 degrees. Also, angle SDU equals 90 degrees because ST is horizontal and UT is vertical. The angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Angle SUT plus angle SDU plus angle UST equals 180 degrees. 72 degrees plus 90 degrees plus angle UST equals 180 degrees. 162 degrees plus angle UST equals 180 degrees. Angle UST equals 180 degrees minus 162 degrees. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. The whole angle VSD, is made up of two smaller angles, 10 and angle UST. We already know that angle VSD equals 30 degrees and angle UST equals 18 degrees. Therefore, x equals 12 degrees. Continue the calculation using the same diagram. The next steps are shown on the right. Now consider this step. Part A, find x, 3 divided by 3. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don prime t, forget to like and subscribe. Now part B asks for length of UT. Be careful here. It asks for length of UT, not length of UV. In triangle STU, we know angle UST equals 18 degrees, length of ST equals 15 m, and we want length of UT. With respect to the 18 degrees, angle at S, length of UT is opposite and length of ST is adjacent. So we use tangent. Using tangent, we write tan of 18 degrees equals length of UT over 15. So length of UT equals 4.8743 m. Correct to the nearest whole number, 4.8743 rounds to 5. Therefore, length of UT equals 5 m. Correct to the nearest whole number. Tan of 18 degrees equals length of UT over 15. Length of UT equals 15 tan of 18 degrees. Length of UT equals 4.8743 m. For 0.8743 goes to 5. This equation is the next step in the calculation. Using tangent, we write tan of 18 degrees equals length of UT over 15. So, length of UT equals 4.8743 m. Correct to the nearest whole number, 4.8743 rounds to 5. Therefore, length of UT equals 5 m. Correct to the nearest whole number. Now we need the area of SUV. The triangle SUV is the part of the large triangle STV left after removing the smaller triangle STU. To find the area of the large triangle STV, we can use base, length of ST equals 15 m, and height, length of TV. So we first find length of TV. With respect to the 30 degrees, angle at S, length of TV is opposite and length of ST is adjacent. Tan of 30 degrees equals length of TV over 15. Length of TV equals 15 tan of 30 degrees. Length of TV equals 8.6603 m. The area of a triangle is half times base times height. So the area of the large triangle, STV, is 64.9523 m squared. For the smaller triangle, STU, we already found length of UT equals 4.8743 m. So the area of triangle, STU, is 36.5573 m squared. Now subtract the smaller area from the larger area. So the area of SUV is 28.3950 m squared. Correct to the nearest whole number, 28.3950 rounds to 28. Therefore, the area of SUV is 28 m squared. Correct to the nearest whole number. The final answers are x equals 12 degrees, length of UT equals 5 m, and the area of SUV is 28 m squared. To summarize, we first use cosine in the large right triangle to find angle VSD equals 30 degrees. Then we found angle UST equals 18 degrees. So, x equals 12 degrees. For part B, we use tangent in triangle SDU to find length of UT. For part C, we subtracted the area of the smaller triangle from the area of the larger triangle. Exam tip. Read the required length carefully. Part B asks for length of UT, not length of UV. Use the triangle that contains the required side. Identify the right triangle. Choose the correct trig ratio. Check exactly what the question asks for. Don Prime T, forget to like and subscribe for more.